Iniu Talmudic vacant an brihar gortig to hurt, and the theme of our spellings is on corp, the body.
So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir gotcha, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future.
An aimsir gotcha. Gortig me, I hurt. Gortig tu, you hurt. Gortig she, he hurt. Gortig she hurt. Gortig amar, we hurt. Gortig shiv, ye hurt. Gortig shiad, they hurt. Gortig, near gortig. An aimsir láithreach. Gortiam, I hurt. Gortian tu, you hurt. Gortian she, he hurts. Gortian she hurts. Gortian mid, we hurt. Gortian shiv, ye hurt. Gortian shiad, they hurt. An nortian, ní gortian. An aimsir áisteanach, the future tense. Gortoi me, I will hurt. Gortoi tu, you will hurt. Gortoi she, he will hurt. Gortoi she will hurt. Gortoi mid, we will hurt. Gortoi shiv, ye will hurt. Gortoi shiad, they will hurt. An nortoi, ní gortoi. Love, hand, ceann, head, shrone, nose, gaig, arm, cuss, leg. Bail, mouth, sula, eyes, cluasa, ears, drim, back, gulan, shoulder. Structure aberta, our sentence structure. So we always start with the verb gortig, gortian, or gortoi, followed by the over, the subject. Now we use the adjunct helvach, the possessive adjective, which we're looking at in our grammar this week, followed by an corp, the body part. Mar hampla, gortig Paul a ceann. Paul hurt his head, and the a for his puts in a shavu. Gortian shiv vargluasa. Ye hurt your ears, and ver puts in an uru, so a G in front of C. Gortoi me, my love, I will hurt my hand. And again, L doesn't take a shavu, but normally does put in a shavu.